Sessions last for about 30 minutes and are accessible by all. We don't necessarily sweat on Huber Motion Lab. It really depends on the intensity of the exercise. If one of your objectives is to burn fat, the intensity should not be too high, or else you would burn sugar instead of fat. Many people think you have to run hard to burn fat, whereas running 40 minutes at a medium pace while talking does burn fat. This is the case with Huber Motion Lab. You work at 63% of your theoretical maximum frequency, that is to say, 220 minus your age, which is not a high intensity. This is precisely intended to burn fat and not sugar. This is why we are so sharp with this fat-burning machine burning and works on very specific muscles. Another interesting thing about fat burning compared to other machines is that you can select the specific area where you want to lose fat. Generally, when you run, you lose fat around the arms and breast for women. Here, you can lose on hard-to-reach areas such as buttocks and gluteofemoral fats. This is due to what we can call permanent stress, as you will have to work at a high level of strength with various exercises that allow to reach different body parts. And you will have to keep focusing on targets at the same time. That is what produces a very important adrenaline release, which burns fat so quickly.